This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Freshly updated 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom villa in the sought-after Cresthaven community. Step into a bright ambience with newly installed laminate flooring throughout. Natural light welcomes you upon entry, enhancing the charm of the living room and dining area, both overlooking a tranquil garden view. Sliding doors lead to a screened patio and a convenient storage unit. The kitchen boasts modern stainless steel appliances and a stylish shiplath ceiling. The main bathroom and half bath feature brand new vanities and lighting, complemented by a freshly painted interior throughout. Enjoy peace of mind with accordion shutters for front windows and storm shutters for the patio area. Recent updates also include a 2020 roof replacement, a new electrical panel, a revamped main closet system. For more information